Dear customers, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I will introduce how to reset this LED sign to be the default. Some user may forget the password that he set last time, so he need to reset the LED sign. The default password is 8888888. So if you forgot the password just you said last time, just press these two buttons. There is the brightness button and message button. Press the two buttons at the same time. I show you how to do at the same time. I press one time, two times, and three times. When the screen shows these messages, that means this is check the screen. When the screen shows these messages, that means the password reset to the default 8888888. So now you got the factory password, and you can set the new password by the app like this. Tap the Toolbox and the Wi-Fi set, and then now you see this password is the 8888888, and you can type your new password. We suggest you don't type any. You lift break because sometimes you may forget the password, so we just keep break. Okay. So now you can reprogram your message again. Thank you for watching this video. It's made by leaders.